Hello treasures, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for your support in 2024, and I'm also asking and pleading for your full support this 2025. Yeah, let's rock it together. Thank you all for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make pap from scratch. I have a combination of corn, which is maize, guinea corn, and millet. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So here I have a combination of maize, yellow corn. I'm using yellow corn, millet, and the guinea corn. I'm using about 2 kg of corn, 1 kg of millet, and 1 kg of guinea corn. I'm making this with my sister, so she has already selected the corn, the millet, the guinea corn. She has selected and they removed sand from it. So now we're going to be soaking this for 24 hours. And after 24 hours of soaking it in water, this is what we have. That's we soaked it for a day. You can also soak this for up to 2 to 3 days, but be sure you change the water each day. This one we did not change the water because we've just left it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we go to the next step, which is to grind it. So we'll be taking this to the grinding mill. We're not using our home blender for this. This is a whole lot of maize, millet, and the guinea corn. And here we have it, well and smoothly blended. Our ogi pap akamu is ready. Some people leave it this way, they don't wash it again. They want to get all the fiber in it, they don't want to remove the chaff. But for us, we are going to be washing it to separate the chaff from the starch. So we're going to go ahead now, add enough water in this, and then rinse it off so that we can get off the chaff in the pap. Keep watching. The secret is to add enough water in the blended stuff so that it will be very easy for you to pass it through the sieve. You can also use your bag. You can use this method to separate the chaff from the starch. We call it Eyo Akamu. You can yola yakabo like this. Hey. After a while, what we have remaining in the sieve there is the chaff, which we are going to discard. But you can also feed your animals with that. Another method is to tie a chiffon cloth over a bucket or big bowl and then wash the blended mixture in it to separate the starch from the chaff again. At the end, you will get the same result. So do any one that you prefer or that is easier for you. As you're doing this, you'll be pouring water on it so that it can easily separate. And here we have it. And we will continue in these two with these two methods until we are done. Done, done, done. When we are done washing or separating the starch from the chaff, we'll now allow them to sit for some about 2 hours or more for the starch to settle at the bottom while the water will be on top. The next we're going to do is to separate the water. But my sister forgot we're making video, and before I knew it, she has already separated the waters and transferred the starch into this muslin bag. You can also use your clean pillowcase, a new clean pillowcase for this. That's another thing that can hold the starch, and then let the water flow away. So here we have it. And this is all the chaff or pulp we got from it. So the next thing we'll do is to find a way to make the water drain from the pap or starch. At this point, we have our pap ready. The whole water has drained from it. You can see that we use something heavy to keep on top of it so that we can easily drain the water. I hope you're getting what I'm saying. And here we have our delicious and yummy pap, ogi, akamu, whichever one you call it. I don't know what you call it in your language. I'm an Igbo woman, and we call it akamu. So this is it, ready to be enjoyed. This is a combination of millet, corn, and the guinea corn. So here she's trying to pour it out from the bag. And this is what we got from our 2 kg corn, millet, and guinea corn. And of course, we have to test it to be sure that our pap is okay. I want to test it and at the same time show some people who may not know how to make pap, how to do it. So just take a scoop of it, add little water, dissolve it, and then pour over it a boiling water, very boiling hot water. First and foremost, dissolve with a little cold water before pouring hot water over it. Now it is time to pour the hot boiling water over it. Stir until it becomes thick. Enjoy this with your sugar and milk. So this is how to make pap from scratch. I hope you learned one or two things from this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like this video for me. Give me a thumbs up. Share the video to your friends and loved ones, and also subscribe if you haven't. Thank you all. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.